This is Galaxy A20e. It doesn't charge at all. All it shows red or yellow triangle warning sign, and it doesn't charge. Yes, as you can see, it doesn't charge. So the most common problem is on a charging port. So this phone needs a new charging port. We're going to go ahead and replace the charging port today. It's always best thing to try different charger, try to clean the charging port without removing it, and after that, if it's still showing the same icon, then you need to go ahead and replace the charging port. So we're gonna take out the SIM tray and button. There's a screw need to be removed, so please unscrew it. After removing or unscrewing all screws, now it's the time to remove plastic shell. First, we need to disconnect the battery. Now we're going to go ahead and disconnect the connector. Wi-Fi signal antenna need to be disconnected as well. There's one screw on a charging port. Okay, that's it. So the charging port is ready to be replaced. So we're going to take the charging port out. So for new one, make sure you reconnect the battery, and now we go so let's see if it's charging. Yes, so as you can see, it's charging now. So the problem was on a charging port. So now I'm going to disconnect. So we're going to put one screw back. Remember to reconnect signal and Wi-Fi antenna. Please make sure the blue wire goes first and then white. So please put back all screws. So all screws back. Now it's the time to put back fingerprint recognition. Firstly take it out. That's it. So all done. Thank you very much. That was all for today.